Today, we're diving into the j5create ScreenCast 4K wireless adapter, a compact device that opens up a world of possibilities for your home entertainment setup. With support for AirPlay, Miracast, and Chromecast, this adapter brings seamless wireless screen mirroring to your television. Measuring at just 0.43 by 1.26 by 3.74 inches, the j5create ScreenCast is a pocket-sized powerhouse. Its compatibility with various devices, including mobile phones, tablets, and laptops, makes it a versatile addition to your tech arsenal. No more cables cluttering your space, just pure wireless freedom. The setup process is a breeze, whether you're using Windows or macOS. Connect effortlessly and experience the joy of extending or mirroring your screen with ease. One port, unlimited possibilities. And let's talk about that 4K capability. The j5create ScreenCast delivers stunning visuals, ensuring that your content shines with clarity and detail. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, giving a presentation, or gaming, this adapter takes it to the next level. Worried about compatibility? Fear not. This device plays nice with a variety of devices, making it a reliable choice for any tech enthusiast. The limited warranty adds an extra layer of confidence to your purchase. In a world where connectivity is key, the j5create ScreenCast 4K wireless adapter stands out as a reliable and compact solution. Cut the cords, embrace the freedom, and elevate your screen mirroring experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.